Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have SalesFlare and this is the best CRM for business to business businesses. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply access it and get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So now zooming in, you can see the dashboard is offering a wide range of features like for example the leads, the contacted clients and the leads and qualified leads, and it have basically this funnel that you can create using this platform, and this is super effective and highly workable. So make sure to try this out because it is going to be converting your cold leads into warm leads. So this is super amazing for the business who are just trying to contact from one business to another. You can see the dashboard is going to be also providing accounts feature that can connect different accounts, like for example Profitwell, Paperform, and all of these platforms could be integrated for better enhancement and increase the modularity of the platform. So now the important thing is you can also incorporate your Gmail, Microsoft Exchange, and importantly the Zapier integration to create automated workflows inside SalesFlare. So that is going to be simply changing the game and making your business even more effective. So 100% recommended. Give it a try. Head over to SalesFlare using the link in the description and you can get extended free trial as well. You can get exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.